This is my ANEX offset adapter ratcheting wrench set, AOA-19S3. It comes with these pass-through sockets, which have an external 19mm drive. And it comes with these E-clips. It comes with this set comes with a ratcheting wrench as well. Non-reversible offset head, to which I added a tether. It has 2 tether holes. And a solid double hex box end. And it fits in there with the tether, which I believe is a metalloy top stainless cable. It also comes with this bit adapter, which also has the 19mm external hex drive and is retained with a set screw. It has a lock ring, and then you can also install these external clips. There are also accessories for it. For example, I got this 3/8 wobble fitting. This device has 3 gears, and you can put a power tool. This adapter is for a long Japanese anvil. But for example, I got this Koken adapter, which has the short anvil on one side and the long anvil on the other side. It does not have the slot for the clip to retain it, but you could drive this with an adapter like that. And this lets you get into tight spaces where normally you couldn't fit a tool. It's sort of like the offset at the chain-driven ones, but this has cogs inside of it, 3 of them, so that turning it right gives a clockwise motion on this end. So it's retained by the E-clip. Then this accessory locks it out, making it act like a solid. It has a magnet in there, so that clips on there, and now everything's retained, and this will lock it up solid like a wrench. All the accessories fit in there, which is pretty nice. The ones that I bought separately, it's fun. This was about $90-something from Amazon Japan. There's some other accessories you can get too. I know they make an 8mm socket and other stuff. So there you go. That's about all it for now. Also, this has a tether hole. Thanks for watching.